Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, using for example such famous and most perfect programs like editing, reading, printing, PDF, DJ, view files and different photograph files. For example, opening some very compressed PDF files, you can see that resolution is very low in a strange situation, because when you open this PDF file in browser PDF, integrated PDF program, it shows very good resolution for printing, I mean. So when we increase till let's say almost 500%, so you see the quality is terrible. So in order to have this, because if you will start printing, it will print in this bad quality. It's very terrible. You will, if your letters are quite low, quite small, it will be very hard to read, only in sunlight. So in order to fix this option, because it's been done purposely, because to use this program fast for low computers. So we go to options, properties, plugins, PDF options, and here we must select use new PDF plugin for PDF loading and set DPI 300. Now let's see how it goes. We must restart. We must reopen the file. You see the resolution now, and bit depth 24. Now I am going to increase the document. You see the quality 490. You don't need to increase so much as before to get this. You see how perfect it is the quality. So now you can start printing with no problems. Just such a manual. Glorify the God.